Let's talk about the Garsoo LG refrigerator door shelf. This handy bin, the Garsoo LG refrigerator door shelf, is a true lifesaver. It fits many LG refrigerator models. For example, it works with the LFXC22526D, LMXS28626D, and LFCS27596S. It replaces part numbers 4,976,934, AP7,176,180, PS16,662,677, and EAP16,662,677. Furthermore, installing it is simple. Consequently, you can quickly organize your fridge. Think of it as adding a new, sturdy basket to your refrigerator's door. Therefore, no more cluttered shelves. Moreover, this Garsoo LG refrigerator door shelf feels durable. It's made to last and it holds a lot of items. For instance, you can store milk, juice, or condiments. Additionally, it helps maximize space. Thus, your fridge stays tidy. Furthermore, this shelf is a smart investment. You get more storage, yet you don't break the bank. In essence, it's like giving your refrigerator an extra pocket. Therefore, everything has a place. As a result, finding items becomes easy. Finally, consider this shelf a practical upgrade. It improves daily fridge use. However, it's not just functional, it also looks good. It blends seamlessly with your refrigerator's interior. In conclusion, for anyone needing extra door storage, this Garsoo LG refrigerator door shelf is perfect. So, grab one today. Indeed, your organized fridge will thank you. Pros: perfect fit, looks original, well-constructed shelf, nice heavy-duty shelf, twice as thick as my original shelves, is indeed heavy-duty, wouldn't hesitate to buy this brand again, can use it. Refrigerator door shelf 5.0 out of 5 stars. Cons: didn't fit specific models, model not listed, different part number, dimensions were different. Incompatible with some fridges. Features: door shelf bin basket shelf, compatible with LG, fits LFXC22526D, fits LMXS28626D, fits LFCS27596S, part number 4,976,934, part number AP7,176,180, part number PS16,662,677, part number EAP16,662,677. The Garsoo MAN63948504 door shelf bin is a replacement part for your refrigerator's door. It's a bin or basket that fits on the inside of the refrigerator door, helping you organize items. This shelf is compatible with several LG refrigerator models, including LFXC22526D, LMXS28626D, and LFCS27596S. It also goes by part numbers 4,976,934, AP7,176,180, PS16,662,677, and EAP16,662,677. The Garsoo MAN63948504 door shelf bin is a well-made, heavy-duty replacement shelf for LG refrigerators, often described as being twice as thick as original shelves. Many users found it to be a perfect fit, looking and feeling like an original part. However, some customers reported that the bin did not fit specific LG models, citing different part numbers and dimensions, making it incompatible with their fridges despite the product listing.